Magbubukas na ang bagong season ng pinaka-inaabangang collegiate basketball event sa bansa. Pero gaano na ba kahanda ang defending champion, UP Fighting Maroons, na depensahan ang titulo ngayong taon? Narito ang report ng teammate Jamaica Bayaka.
Matapos ang matagumpay na kampanya noong Season 87, handang-handa na ang mga universidad sa pagbubukas ng panibagong season ng UAAP Men's Basketball Tournaments. Bilang defending champions, University of the Philippines Fighting Maroons ang siyang sentro ng atensyon ngayong taon. Matapos maagaw ang titulo mula sa De La Salle Green Archers noong nakaraang season, layo ng UP na makamit ang back-to-back championship.
We started our overseas training/games as soon as the players finished their school, which was June. Nakakuha kami ng mga magandang experience doon. Obviously, trying to build our team and yung chemistry na hinahanap namin and all of that on and off the court. Malaking bagay yan para sa pag-approach namin this season 88. In terms of pressure, the only pressure we put on is yung the standards we put on our team, the players they put on ourselves, more than the outside circumstances, whatnot, whatever people are saying.
Kasama sa core ng Maroons sina Jerry Abadiano, Harold Alarcon, Terence Fortea at Reynald Torres. Pinilakas pa ang lineup sa pagpasok ng transferee na si Ray Remogat mula sa UE na ngayon ay eligible ng maglaro. Malaking kawalan man ang pag-alis ng ilang mga key players ng UP, gayon pa man nananatiling malalim ang bench ng Maroons sa tulong ng kanilang mga bagong recruits gaya na Jacob Bela, Danny Stevens at Miguel Palanca.
Si Coach Gold, lagi niyang pinapaalala sa mga players that having your own standard and yung standard ng teams, yun ang importante, that we uphold not only every game but every practice for the players' improvement and more importantly for the team's improvement.
Ilan sa mga inaasahang mahigpit na katunggali ng UP ngayong season ay ang Lasal, Ateneo Blue Eagles at NU Bulldogs. Ngayon target bumawi ng Lasal na hindi papayag na maagawan muli ng corona.
I'm excited though because to win this championship in season 88, really going to take everything from you. It's going to take a full sacrifice, and the team that comes out on top, is really going to have those that really embodiment of, hey, this is what it means to be a champion. Because if you can be a champion in this, wow, that's going to be our goal. That's going to be what we're striving for every game.
Sa pangunguna ng host school na University of Santo Tomas, magsisimula ang Season 88 Men's Basketball Tournament sa September 20 sa USC Quadricentennial Pavilion. Jamaica Bayaka para sa atletang Pilipino, para sa bagong Pilipinas.